Italy posted time at heat number 1 of 3:22.01. This is the standard now to see about qualifying for tonight's championship final. Only the top 18 kickoff off the heats will qualify for that final, where the medals to be determined. Early leaders in the number 4, Hungary. Brazil currently second, with Germany third. Brazil into the lead on the second leg. Now the third swimmer in the water. Brazil swimming there at 1:38.79. A 48.98 split for Rino Correa. Swimming second for Brazil in leg 6. Hungary is now second, Germany third. And Russian Federation trying to make up ground in leg 5, currently in 4th spot. Luis Gustavo Borges hands over to the final four for Brazil. 49.62 is put on for Luis Gustavo Borges at 2:28.41. Brazil leads now. Germany second, Hungary third. Rodolfo Morea, the anchor swimmer for Brazil in lane 6. Brazil will win heat number 2, touching here at mile 5 at 3:18.84. Germany second, 3:19.93. Russian Federation touching third at 3:20.